In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple masks in CapCut. By the end, you'll know how to combine several masks on a single clip to reveal or hide parts of your video with precision, perfect for creative transitions, split screens, or highlighting specific areas. First, open CapCut and head into a new or existing project. If you're on desktop or mobile, the process is the same idea. We're going to stack clips and apply masks to the one on top so it blends with the one below. Make sure your workspace is set to the aspect ratio you want for the final edit, so your masks line up correctly on the canvas. Now, add 2 videos to your timeline. Place the first clip as your base layer, then put the second clip above it on the track right above. This order is important because the mask you create on the top clip will reveal parts of the base clip underneath. Trim and align both clips so they're the same length where you plan to use the effect. This avoids odd gaps or cutoffs when the mask is applied. Click to select the second, or top, clip, then open the mask tool. You'll see different shapes and options. Choose the shape that best fits what you want to reveal. Maybe a rectangle for a clean split, an oval for a spotlight effect, or a linear mask for a wipe. Resize the mask on the preview canvas, rotate it if needed, and use feathering to soften the edges for a more natural blend. If the reveal needs to be reversed, toggle invert so it hides the opposite area. With your first mask placed, it's time to add another. Look for the plus sign icon within the mask panel and tap it to create a second mask on the same clip. This lets you carve out multiple regions at once. Position this new mask where you need it, match the feathering for consistency, and adjust the shape so it complements the first mask rather than overlapping awkwardly. Do it again to build up as many masked areas as your design requires. Keep an eye on the order and spacing, and tweak each mask's size, rotation, and feather to ensure the edges feel cohesive. As you play back the timeline, fine-tune any boundaries that look harsh, and make sure the base clip is clearly visible in the areas you've revealed. When everything looks smooth, you've successfully layered multiple masks on one clip for a polished composite.